performing a color change, it's good practice to perform the cleaning process as you would any final clean. Discard any paint that is left in the airbrush with a pre-rinse, then use the brush to wipe out any paint in the cup. Next, submerge the entire airbrush under water. Flush and backflush any paint out of the brush. Using a bucket will help to minimize any overspray. Do this 10 to 20 times by plugging and unplugging with your finger. This agitates any paint out of the airbrush body. You can also use airbrush cleaning pot to prevent overspray in the air. Next, spray the airbrush out on a clean towel. This will show if you have any pigment that's still left in the brush. If so, you can repeat the process again. Note, you may still have paint inside the airbrush that's stuck on the needle. You may need to pull out the needle to clear the paint from the needle housing. It should have paint on it, so give it a couple wipes. Be careful, the needle is sharp. And very gently insert the needle. Tighten the chucking nut. Put your handle back on. Do a test spray and you should be good to change your color. To purchase any Master Airbrushes, airbrush products, or any US Art Supply colors or cleaners, visit us at tcpglobal.com.